बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज 23 फरवरी है 2023। हम दुनिया में थोड़े से वक्त के लिए आए हैं और फिर इस दुनिया से जाना है, और थोड़ा सा मुख्तसर क़याम इसमें जब हम दुनिया से जाएंगे, अल्लाह पाक ने कुरान में फरमाया है, मिन्हा खलकनाकुम फ़ीहा नुईदुकुम व मिन्हा नुखरिजुकुम तारतल उखरा। इसका मतलब है ज़मीन में से हमने तुम्हें पैदा किया और इसी में फिर वापस लौटाएंगे और इसी से फिर दोबारा तुम सबको निकाल कर खड़ा कर देंगे। From the earth we created you, and into it we will return you, and from it we will extract you another time. So we have to die one day, we have to leave this world, we'll go in the grave, and that is another life. This life will continue there, but the form of life will change. So we'll be in the grave, and from the grave on the doomsday we'll be in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and there will be questions. There will be questions in the grave too. 3 questions. Man rabbuka, man nabiyuka, man dinuka. Who is your creator? Who is your sustainer of life? Rabb. Who is your prophet? And what is your religion? These are the 3 questions we have to answer in the grave. So prepare yourself for these 3 questions. So this ayat of Quran, we recite these 3 things. Minha khalaqnakum. When we first throw the earth crust in our hands in the grave, when we bury a Muslim, so first of all, we throw 3 handful of earth crust in the grave. So first we say, Minha khalaqnakum. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, Minha khalaqnakum, we have created you from this earth crust. Wa fiha nuidukum, and you'll go back in this. Minha nukhrijukum, and then one day you will return to us, and we will extract you for another time. Taratul ukhra is another time, the doomsday. You will stay in the grave, and then one day you will meet me. Maliki Yawmuddin, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we will be standing in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we have to answer. In grave we have to answer 3 questions, and then in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the whole deeds, the whole life of ours will be there.